Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for UX design. So basically, I'm going to use Midjourney to create website design elements like logos or background elements, etc. So first of all, what I need you guys is to go to your devices and open any kind of browsers. So let's go here, search for midjourney.com. Here we go. So let's click on sign in. And basically what I need now is just connect it to our Discord. So authorize it. And just like so, here we go already. It's now to start. So let's go to Discord and let's go and open our Discord. It will not take a long time. So here we go. And I will search for Midjourney server, which is here. Now let me just search for the new buys. So here it is. And basically I'm going to go all the way down and type slash imagine prompt. And let's say, for example, make me um, a website's high quality UI, like high quality banner with logo top right corner, top left, maybe top left, yeah, top left corner, and smart UI. So website, let's make website page high quality and smart UI, and let's add here 8K. So and now let's tap enter. So now what I'm going to do is wait a little bit until it finishes making the image. So let's wait and let's give it some time. Now it's collecting, I think, the data and etc. So now it started making it. So it is at 0%. Of course, now we can see the image, which is looking pretty much ugly, but trust me guys, by the end it will look so much good, so much insane. So and actually I can see it's coming super clean. So let's wait for it. 62. All right, actually this one looks super dope, and this one also. So oh my god, I've seen it. All right, this is super clean, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is actually pretty clean. I'm going to save this image because it is really, really good. So yeah, guys, basically that's how you can actually make it happen. Thanks a lot for watching and see ya in the next video.